everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be comparing Bright Money, Tally, and Happy Money. So let's get right into it. Starting with Bright Money. Bright Money uses AI to automatically analyze your spending and make payments towards your credit card balances. Just connect your bank account and cards. It is super smart, its AI decide how much and when to pay based on your cash flow. It's all about efficiency. It offers a free trial, but after that you have to pay it around $7.99 per month. So if you're looking for hands-off automation and you don't mind paying a small monthly fee, Bright Money might be your pick. As you can see on the website, it's as easy as it's shown over here. Now, if you talk about Tally on the other hand, so Tally is basically it simplifies your debt management by consolidating your cards, offering automatic payments. It's pretty hands-off once you set it up. So it consolidates your credit card as I've said before, and it gives you one monthly payment with a lower interest rate. Plus they also offer credit score monitoring. So if we talk about pricing, it basically starts at around $10 per month fee and the charges go around $9.99 to 19.99% APR on your balance. So for consolidation and lower interest, Tally is solid. Now, if we talk about the last app, which is Happy Money. So Happy Money takes a more manual approach where you transfer money into a dedicated account to pay off high interest cards. It's a bit more involved but offers great flexibility. It offers a personal loan to pay off your credit card balances, which could be a great option if you need a larger amount at a fixed rate. So now if we talk about the pricing of Happy Money, it offers a personal loan with a 7.99% to 29.99% APR, but it can vary based on your credit score and the amount of debt you have. So if you're after a personal loan to pay off a large amount of credit card debt, Happy Money could save you a lot of on interest, a lot on interest. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing Happy Money, Tally, and Bright Money. Thank you so much for watching.